Well, radar has looked pretty similar all day long, Jillian. A lot of snowfall and pretty steady snowfall, although we are watching for a few heavier bands now, and you can see that in the Sedalia area, looking at some heavier snowfall possible, as well as to the south near I-44. We had a band of heavier snow just moments ago. Seeing a few patches of lulls here near Jefferson City, but we are still going to be seeing steady snow at least through the tonight and into the evening. And along with this, obviously, road conditions pretty bad today. Most of the roads across the area are covered, but along with roads being covered, visibilities are extremely low. So I just really want to stress that if you don't have to go out, please try to stay in today. So here is this kind of swath of snow that's been moving through our area through the entire day, and you can see in the satellite radar image as well some of these darker colors where we are watching some of these heavier bands now moving into our area. So if you have a little lull where things start to lighten up a little bit, they'll likely pick up once again, especially in these areas along I-70 where that band of heavier snow in Sedalia will start to move off to the east pretty soon. As we head into the rest of the evening, you can see here we are at 6 o'clock, still seeing steady snowfall. That's going to be the case through tonight, even as we head into the overnight hours. This takes us all the way towards midnight. Still seeing snow. Some of it is starting to lighten up just a little bit. As we head towards morning, this will lighten. We'll start to see mostly flurries, but some models are starting to indicate a second band of snow developing, and that would track right along I-70. And you can see that here, these darker colors indicating that band of snow that'll be a little bit heavier, which could boost our totals just a little bit as we head into a Sunday morning. And then finally, this starts to taper off. Things will lighten up a little bit. We'll have light snow through the day. It's not until we head all the way into Sunday afternoon that we start to see things really tapering off. And then we'll have a lull. We'll be dry for our Sunday night. So through tonight, temperatures really not budging very much. We'll hold steady in the mid-20s, so not looking at nearly as much potential for sleet or freezing rain as what we were thinking about last night, mainly looking at snow for us tonight as temperatures stay steady. As we head into tomorrow, temperatures a little bit cooler than what we were anticipating. So like I said, still looking at mainly snow, but in these areas far towards Lake of the Ozarks, looking at 36 degrees for a high tomorrow, and even reaching just above freezing near Lake of the Ozarks as well. So we will have that slight freezing potential if we see snow carrying on through tomorrow afternoon. So looking at those snowfall totals, these are totals through what we've already seen today, heading all the way through tomorrow night. And by the time we head towards Monday morning, looking at pretty decent totals, 2 to 4 inches as we head towards the north. Most of mid-Missouri has already seen 1 to 2 inches out there. This 4 to 6 inches, which is for most of the area, the heavier amounts more focused towards the south near Lake of the Ozarks. The Lake of the Ozarks already has about 3 inches, and near I-44 looking upwards of about 6 as well. This 6 inches we put in because of that heavier band of snow that could move in again on Sunday. So it's still a little bit of uncertainty with this. It looks to be mainly near St. Louis, though, to look at those totals of 6 inches or more. And then you can see things really don't improve. We are dry very briefly Sunday night, but then by Monday evening, we see another system move in, which will bring a wintry mix. I'll talk more about that system on the way here in about 10 minutes.